Hey everyone, it's Miss Philly. We are at Value Village by Polo Park. So before I start this video, I just wanted to say that I have some bad news. I was approached by a manager at a Value Village. I'm not going to say which specific Value Village it is because I don't want to, burn that bridge. But I was approached by a manager at Value Village, and first off, I just want to say that the manager that approached me was a super nice person. They were super, super nice, super sweet. I've dealt with them before, so I just want to get that out of the way. They were very respectful, very nice, and friendly when they approached me. So I just want to get that out of the way. One of the Value Villages, or maybe some of them, I don't know, got a complaint, and they said it wasn't about me. It was just all they know. It was just about a YouTube video, and there was like kids in the video that I guess someone recognized, so they called their parents or something maybe, and then the parents were like, oh well, this is in Winnipeg, so we're going to call the Winnipeg Value Village, so it was kind of like a chain link kind of thing. And the manager said it wasn't me specifically, but they do know me. Like, they do know that I film in there. They do know that I do YouTube videos, and that's why the manager wanted to talk to me about it, because it's just not me. Apparently it's just everybody, whoever they see filming, they're not going to be able to film anymore. I don't know if it was just that specific location or all locations, but I was filming in other locations today and the managers didn't say anything. So I don't know if it's just that specific location. Who knows? It could just be location specific, but I respect their decision, because I know, like, I guess I can see that kind of sense of it. Like, if you're filming and there was like kids in the background or something that you kind of caught accidentally or something, then I can see it being like, I'd be like, why is my kid online on YouTube, getting thousands of views or whatever. So I do understand that aspect of it. So I do respect that. And I am not going to film at that location specific anymore, and maybe not even be as boldly filming as I do, because especially in the places where I'm comfortable with and the managers totally know me, like, I'm just really like with my phone, like, like that. So I might have to do it more sneakily. I might have to not even film inside, or just do quick clips instead of like long clips of filming and filming and filming. I'm probably not going to film hot guys anymore. That sucks, because you guys know that's like such a part of my channel is filming hot guys, because they hot. Like, hello, why are you going to complain? Like to me, it's like 2018. There is no escaping being online. Everybody in one way or another will be online. It's just the technology age of today. It's inescapable. The vlogger in me is like, okay, calm down, but the person in me and like the private person in me is like, okay, if that was my kids, I wouldn't want that either. So I do respect that. So I just want to get that out of the way of this video. But I want to show you guys a haul that we got. We're going to stop by one more Value Village and one more Salvation Army, but in case we don't find anything, I do want to show you what we got at the other thrift stores today. There was like a freaking wasp in my car, and I was like going like this while I'm driving. It was like flying around. I opened all my windows so that hopefully it would fly out, but it was kind of annoying. Anyway, okay, so from this Value Village was from the first Salvation Army we went to. Salvation Army is having a $1 a day sale today, where it was like $1, no tax, on t-shirts, tank tops, $2 on capris and leggings, and then I think it's $3 on dress pants or something like that. But we bought a bunch of shirts, some stuff I normally wouldn't buy for the price listed, but since it was $1, I was like, yes. This Calvin Klein striped shirt for $1. I thought it was cute, very summery. Next summer I'll definitely rock that. This Tommy Hilfiger 2X polo, which I thought was cute. I love pink. You guys know I love pink, and it just has a little, little Tommy flag right there on the lapel, and it's a 2X, so it fits me right now. It might be even a little loose, but I thought it was cute. We got this Lacoste size large polo as well. Thought that was cute. We got this Ralph Lauren large pink again, love it, cute. And then we bought this for my sister because she loves cats. It's like a cat shirt with glitter. I thought that was cute. And then Suicide Squad, I do love the movie, size large again. And then this Pokemon shirt again for my sister because she loves Pokemon. So that's what we got from the first thrift store. Then we went to Value Village on Nairn. I was just about to give up buying anything, and then from the corner of my eye I spotted this bag sitting on the freaking like stool, and it was this Michael Kors bag. And it is authentic, and the price is an amazing $8, $7.99. I I was talking to the manager and she was like eyeing it like, and in my head I was thinking, she was thinking, okay, what employee priced it that I am going to fire their ass? But, you know, there's some wear on the handles with like marks, but I mean, for $7, you can't go wrong. And it is authentic and it is a factory outlet bag. There's some pen marks inside, but we'll try and clean that out. And it's in excellent condition aside from the wear on the handle. There's not like any corner wear or misshaping of it. Such a great deal on this bag. Yeah, the handles do have some, I don't know if we can clean that up. Maybe like there's some darkening of the handles like right there, but I mean for $8 you can't go wrong with that. Okay, so the next Salvation Army we bought a bunch of shirts. Okay, we bought this Hollister. I thought it was cute, just basic on days you just want to be basic, a basic hoe. And then we got this Nike t-shirt, this Abercrombie. I like it because it didn't say Abercrombie on it, and it is a large. I thought that was cute too. Another Abercrombie shirt. These were all $1, no tax, so just $1, plain dollar. We got this another Lacoste polo with a Lacoste gator right there, super cute. And then we got this Adidas tank top, $1, surprisingly. And I want to talk to you guys about this specific location of Salvation Army. And then we got this to resell. It's a 3X top. Plus sized clothing has been selling well for me. So Sleeping Beauty on DVD. I think I have this already though. Why did I buy this? It was like $3. Okay, whatever. This Roots size medium basic black tee. And this another one to resell, Reitmans. I like to say Reitmans though. Glitter top in a 2X. We'll resell that as well. Even if I get $5 a top, I mean, yeah, hello, deal. Okay, so that's what we got at that Salvation Army. We've been to 3 Salvation Armies already. I just want to talk about something too. While I was at Salvation Army, I noticed one of the employees, could be a manager, I'm pretty sure they are, they were buying something too, and their pile was like this high. And when I glanced over at when I was looking at the brand names, they were all Bench, Adidas, Nike. What else did I see? I saw Lululemon. I saw some Wilfred pieces. And I'm like, okay. And they're getting it for like $1, you know. I'm pretty sure, like, okay, I'm not pretty sure, but I suspect, my assumption is that they put that aside and then brought it out. I didn't see that happen, but I'm guessing that's what happened. Because I mean, they were all brand name. Like literally I had to freaking nickel and dime myself to find any kind of brand names left. Everything was like Gildan and Hanes and Joe Fresh. So yeah, that's not really fair if that's the case. I'm not saying it is, but I'm saying it looked kind of shady. It looked suspect. Okay, I'm actually going to I'm going to email Value Village and see what the hell's going on. Like, why can't I film in your store? That's stupid. I'm not saying the employees are stupid. The employees are super nice for the most part. I enjoy like most of them. They're super nice. And the final thing that we got from the thrift store Salvation Army on Empress is this Coach bag. It was marked to only $20 and it's in like new condition, and it's not a factory outlet bag, which is so cute. And it has like the crossbody strap and the top handle and its top zip closure, canvas with leather trim, and it also has a front slit pocket and back slit pocket. This is the one that they don't have the creed in it, but it does have a made in, what is this? Made in China thingy, label. And it came with a care card. Yeah, so that's that. For $20 and no tax. Hello. It is so cute. Look at that. I can probably get like maybe about, I'd say about 50 to 60 for this, or more actually. It's like in new condition. There's like no wear on it whatsoever. Super cute. Super cute. Yeah, it's like new condition. So we're probably gonna sell this locally. So yeah, that's what we got today. Thank you guys for joining me. I hope you enjoyed this video. I think it's so unfortunate that Value Village is like, you know, like who cares if you get complaints? Like, hello, I'm publicizing your store. More people are thrifting because of me, and it's Hadrian, hello, and Nancy. Like, let's not even like front. I'm driving business to your store. So to tell me that I can't film there is bull. No, I'm just kidding. I respect it. I have to accept it, because if I get banned from Value Village, like, what the hell? Where am I going to thrift? I guess I'll have to thrift at like Goodwill and, you know, Salvation Army only. Or go incognito in incognito. Anyway, guys, yeah, so yeah, it's unfortunate, but I mean, let's be real. Like other stores, like if you go into Chanel, or if you go into like Gucci, or if you go into other stores, like they don't allow filming. So I mean, it makes sense that they're not going to allow filming there, you know. Maybe one day when Miss Philly becomes big and famous and YouTube famous, maybe Value Village will be like, yeah, Miss Philly can film there, everybody else cannot. Anyway, guys, thank you for joining me. Remember to remain progressive, positive, and productive, and I'll see you in the next video or the next clip. I love you. Bye. I'm about to show you guys this Escada Sport for $1 that we picked up at the Salvation Army. It's authentic. Where is it made? In Germany, I think, maybe? Yeah, made in Germany. So this Escada kind of polo. Okay guys, we're at thrift store Salvation Army. At least they will let me film here. So Value Village. Let's go inside and check it out. Oh, there's kids. We don't want to film them. Marc Jacobs tote. $7. And this $29. $25. I don't think it's authentic now. Probably not. That's really faded, so I'm guessing this isn't authentic.
Been facing for so long for you to come back.
So you're not shedding anymore.
I know, guys. She's like turning into a different dog. Yes, this.
Pag may nakita na naman si Julie, babalik na naman ulit. Ang layo-layo. Joke.
That's why we're here. Check the put away racks because I found this really cute. Where is it? This Adidas in extra large for $1, and this Roots for $1 as well. Just over here in the put away rack.
Tried. It didn't say anything. It said Pinoy Love.
$5 for this fossil wallet, but it's missing both zipper pulls. But it's in really good condition.
Oh, it didn't say anything about Filipino. It's just said on the label though. It's something that Lauren can do.
I found this rag and bone.
Rag and bone. Is that expensive then?
Are you kidding?
Oh, I saw one with like cute. Awesome. Have a good one. Hello. Tommy Hilfiger, right?
Yeah. Are you serious? That's so weird.
Hilarious, right?
Yeah.
How did it happen? Are they like in collab with?